Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can hard reset Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 by using the recovery mode. So the first thing that we need to do is use the USB cable, and we need to connect our Samsung to PC or laptop, and it cannot be a charger as it won't work. Once you are connected to PC or laptop, you want to turn off your device, so you can use the power button and volume down button at the same time. So press and hold them for like 2 or 3 seconds in order to open the power menu. And then of course you want to choose power off and then confirm the action. Now once the device is off, after a few seconds you will see the charging status, that the device is being charged. So we need to wait for that to see the current status of battery, and there we go. So now we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. Press and hold both of these buttons and keep holding them until you see the recovery menu. So now we see the Samsung logo, keep holding. And there we go. Now we can release both buttons. And over here we need to scroll down using the volume down button and then press the power button in order to confirm the choice. And of course you want to choose wipe data / factory reset. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.